Hello everyone and welcome to BioSeries Episode 1. I am Laila Casela Salas, a second year college student taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science. So in this video, we are going to tackle about the cell types and the cell structures. But before we proceed to our main topic, let us first discuss what is a cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things, or in other words, it is considered as the basic units of life. It provides structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, and carry out important functions. It grouped together to form tissues, which in turn group together to form organs such as the heart and the brain. Let us now take a closer look to the two types of cell, the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. Let us first discuss about the prokaryotic cell. A prokaryotic cell is a type of cell that does not have a true nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. Organisms within the domains bacteria and archaea are based on the prokaryotic cell. Organisms that have prokaryotic cells are unicellular. They are called prokaryotes. Let us now proceed to the structure of the prokaryotic cell. First, prokaryotes are covered in a cell membrane. This membrane allows them to create a specific environment within the cytosol that allows biochemical reactions to take place. This cell membrane is also called the capsule. Second, these cells house both loose DNA and ribosomes. Though ribosomes are organelles, they are not bound by a plasma membrane. Together, the DNA and ribosomes work to produce the proteins that the cells need to gather nutrients, reproduce, and even defend themselves in the face of predators or environmental changes. Since prokaryotic cells do not have a true nucleus that contains their genetic material as eukaryotics do, they have a nucleoid region, which is an irregularly shaped region that contains the cell's DNA and is not surrounded by a nuclear envelope. Some other parts of prokaryotic cells are similar to those in eukaryotic cells, such as the cell wall surrounding the cell, the cytoplasm, which is a gel-like substance that makes up the filling of the cell, and the cytoskeleton that holds the components of the cell in place. Prokaryotic cells also have ribosomes, which are organelles that produce proteins, and vacuoles, which are small spaces in cells that store nutrients and eliminate wastes. Prokaryotic cells also have flagella, which are tail-like structures that enable organisms to move around. They may also have pili, a small hair-like structures that help bacteria adhere to surfaces and can allow DNA to transfer between two prokaryotic cells in a process known as conjugation.
What is conjugation?
Bacterial conjugation is the transfer of genetic material between bacterial cells by direct cell-to-cell contact or by a bridge-like connection between two cells.